You just gotta think positive. It's like my late Uncle Skip used to say. He used to say, think positive, man. That's what you gotta do, It's just like making love or riding a bike or making love on a bike, or, when you ride that horse and you fall off and you get back in the saddle again and, you just brush yourself off and then, and get back in the game, man. And you just gotta think positive.
Man, you know what you gotta do? You gotta just relax, man. You just gotta relax and just chill out. That's all you gotta do.
Oh, for Christ's sake, man, how hard can it be? Now give me the fucking pen, I'll draw it. I'll draw you fucking silly, man. Fucking draw a weasel, blow his goddamn nuts off, and you're done. Done, end of story, fucking done. You gotta think positive, dude. You just gotta think positive.
I got one word to say to you. I got 7 words to say to you, and I want you to listen up. Alright, because here it comes. Think positive, dude. Damn, dude, you just gotta think positive.
Think positive, positive, positive.
You can do all those things. You've done them before. Come on, man.
You gotta think positive, man.